Oh, that was hot. I saw the steam and I ate it anyway. Oh, I think I burnt my throat. My throat is burnt. I'll be back. Hi guys, we're back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make a vegan lobster bisque. Let's get started. All right, y'all, so I filmed this over my client's house, so you won't be seeing my kitchen. I was actually cooking over there because the kids love to cook with me, y'all, so that's the footage you're gonna see next. All right, y'all, let's get started with our vegetables. I cut up about 4 different carrots, 2 stalks of celery, about half of a purple carrot, a jalapeno, and 4 garlic cloves. Now the jalapeno is only for the topping, so you kind of can ignore that part, but we're gonna roast it all together, okay? So I'm adding in some avocado oil as well as some butter. Then I'm gonna season it all over with some thyme, and then I'm gonna go in with some garlic salt. You don't have to use these exact seasonings, of course, use what you like. Y'all know I'm a big fan of like all-purpose seasoning. Just make sure you don't make it too salty. Now I'm gonna bake these on 350 in a toaster oven, so just letting you know how the heat difference might be different in your real oven, for about 30 minutes. Pay no attention to the time that's on the screen because I ended up hitting restart. It was about 30 minutes when it was all said and done that I baked these vegetables. Now let's get our lobster ready. We are using heart of palm for this recipe. Y'all, I really wish I had ordered some lobster mushrooms. That would have been everything for this dish, y'all, but I didn't have it, so we got to use heart of palm. So we're gonna treat this like we would some lobster. We're gonna add in some butter to the pan, put in our heart of palm. I definitely also wish I would have chopped these up. I did them in the sticks for really no reason. I have no idea. I don't know. I think I was going for a different look, but looking back, it's like, girl, you should have just chopped these up. Now let's make it taste a little bit like the sea. We're gonna add in some Old Bay, some onion powder. We're gonna throw in some black pepper. Gonna also put in some allspice and some crushed red pepper along with some more garlic powder. And here was what really set it off for me is, y'all, this lemon paste really set this off. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. If y'all can find this lemon paste, make sure it's vegan, or just use some fresh squeezed lemon on top, because it really just gave it that unique like seafood boil almost taste. Like, y'all, so good. Did it taste like lobster? No. Tastes like some really, really good seasoned heart of palm, okay? Like, I'm gonna have to make that more often. All right. Now removing our heart of palm from the pan, we're gonna add in all the vegetables except for the jalapenos. Now some jalapenos did go in there because, I mean, no big deal if it did. Boom, I even put one in there on purpose. But the rest of the jalapenos were for the topping. Now we're gonna add in a tablespoon of tomato paste along with some sherry cooking wine and a not chicken bouillon cube. We're gonna now add in 3 cups of water. And I forgot to mention, y'all, that the kids were helping me cook. They love, love, love helping me shoot YouTube videos. So whenever I can get them involved, I'm like, obviously I can use y'all help. Now we're gonna throw in about 3 bay leaves that I forgot to remove. So just to warn y'all, I did look it up that we can eat cooked bay leaves without getting tummy troubles, but I was so concerned. I said, oh my gosh, I forgot to take the bay leaves off. We ended up blending those right on up with the vegetables, y'all. Blended them right on up. Here I am adding in some more garlic salt to our soup because I just love me some garlic salt. And now I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. You can obviously use vegan heavy whipping cream, but I already had coconut milk. There go that bay leaf, gone. But you can use vegan heavy whipping cream if you like. I just already had coconut milk in my fridge, and I don't mind the taste of coconut milk. But if you don't want that taste, I highly encourage you to get some vegan heavy whipping cream. So here we are using an immersion blender to get everything creamy, but it was still a little gritty for me. So I had the idea to kind of separate some of the grit out, but it didn't work, y'all. It just ended up being straight liquid, and I was like, this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna have a straight liquid soup. So we ended up just putting it all back into the pan and blending again. First, I had one of the kids help me by blending in the soup without the liquid added, and we learned, oh, that's not what an immersion blender does. So they taught me something. Let's add that liquid back on in there and help it blend some more. So it did help a little bit with the grit. And when I use the word grit, y'all, it wasn't like grit. It was just, the residue from probably the bay leaves, now that I think about it. But maybe the carrot, it could have been from any of the vegetables that we didn't blend. But once we got it where we can enjoy it, once it got to the consistency that I liked, let's go ahead and put our toppings on. Our roasted jalapenos. You know you got to put that parsley on there or they won't eat it, okay? And now let's put in our not lobster heart of palm, and it is ready to enjoy. I didn't want to show my face over their house because it wasn't done up yet. I know, y'all. I know. But I knew this video was coming out close to Valentine's Day. So, you know, I have on my red. You know what I'm saying? I want to look cute for y'all one time for the one time. So, and I got the leftovers in the microwave right now. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Let me put it. When I made this yesterday, so good. So we're gonna see if the flavors have soaked in some more. All right, so let's go. Let's get it because I didn't eat it on camera. So here we go. Smile at it. It's so good. It's so good. I still do taste the coconut milk. It's not loud. So if you really, really don't like coconut, I don't think you'll spit this out. You'll just be like, you know how you taste that little hint of coconut? But it's so good. Let me do what I always do, add hot sauce, see if that take it away. I like it. You don't even need the hot sauce. And I'm just eating the broth. I'm not even eating the jalapeno with it. Let me get a little jalapeno in there. Then I'll put the hot sauce on for you coconut haters, okay? That was embarrassing. Wow. All right. Like I told y'all before, that heart of palm don't taste like nobody lobster. But baby, the heart of palm is palming. I'm actually making some garlic bread to go with this to see what that gives. Come on. What does that give? Let's blow this. Current favorite hot sauce. Put some hot sauce in here, y'all. Should have probably did it on camera, but y'all see the red? Y'all see the red. Okay. It's still steaming. Oh yeah. Coconut where? Coconut where? Coconut who? Okay. Oh, it's just a good hot sauce though. So put your favorite hot sauce in here. You're gonna taste no coconut. You missing out though. Alright, y'all. At this point I'm just eating. But y'all make this no lobster bisque, okay? And y'all enjoy it, okay? It is currently Galentine's Day. So happy Galentine's and Valentine's Day to y'all, alright? Love you. Shout out to the Coco crew. And if you've never seen me before, shout out to you too. Shout out to you for watching this video of a stranger. I hope you join the family, okay? All right, y'all. Bye. I told y'all I was making toast and then forgot to tell y'all. It bust. Okay, I'm gone. Well, I'm going again. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.